New tonight, developing news on that new travel quarantine. While many states are seeing an explosion of coronavirus cases, Connecticut's infection rate remains at less than 1%, which continues to be one of the best in the nation. And that's causing the state to crack down on travelers. Channel 3's Matthew Campbell is here now with some newly released details from the governor today.
Yeah, Dennis, we've been telling you that the state is cracking down on arrivals from hard-hit states with a 14-day quarantine. We now know what this is going to look like. Travelers coming in from states that are seeing an infection rate of more than 10% are being asked to quarantine. 22 states right now are on that list as of today. This also goes for Connecticut residents returning from trips too. The state will now be tracking to see who these travelers are and where they'll be quarantining. And they're doing this via an online travel health form. You have to fill out this form before you fly to Connecticut. And we're still trying to get a copy of this to show you what it looks like and some of the questions that are on it. But the governor explains there could be checks, and if someone is in violation, they could be subject to a $1,000 fine.
Impacts however you come into our state. You could be driving into the state. You could have rented a car and are coming to the state. You'll be still noticed and held accountable there. We're going to have members of our public health department there at Bradley Airport. This is something they're doing in LaGuardia and Kennedy as well. Just to ask people, you've filled out the form. We'd like to see the form as it's filled out and hold people accountable there. And we know how to contact them going forward.
And there is a way around that, and that is by providing a test showing that you tested negative for the virus in the last 72 hours before arriving. The $1,000 fine is not being enforced yet, but the governor says that could easily change if people are not taking this seriously. Also, keep your eyes open tomorrow because that's usually when the travel quarantine list is updated. Live above the newsroom, Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.